The word we'll be learning in this section is tsukamaru, which you will often hear in news reports or crime-related contexts. The word tsukamaru means to be caught or to be arrested. It typically implies being captured or apprehended by someone, often by the police. The term is generally used in situations where someone needs to seize or take hold of a person or object physically. The first kanji means to catch or seize. In the word hokaku, it gives the idea of capturing something physically or legally. In the word hoshu, it gives the sense of a person who catches, like a catcher in baseball. This kanji often appears when talking about arresting, capturing, or holding something. The thief gets caught by the police. 泥棒は警察に捕まる。泥棒は警察に捕まる。Get caught by a thief. 泥棒に捕まる。泥棒に捕まる。I grab onto the train's handrail. 私は電車の手すりに捕まります。私は電車の手すりに捕まります。He got caught by the rope. 彼は縄に捕まりました。彼は縄に捕まりました。The most common synonyms of the word 捕まる are 捕らえる and 逮捕。捕らえる also means to capture or to seize, often used in broader contexts, whereas 逮捕 specifically refers to arrest by law enforcement. The most common antonym of the word 捕まる is 逃げる, which means to escape or to run away. While 捕まる implies being caught, 逃げる involves successfully avoiding or fleeing from capture.